Why do beginners, fail, at affiliate marketing or, get no commissions? Now, I want to try and save you months, okay, wasting time, and getting frustrated. So I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why I think, people fail at this. And the crazy part is, I don't think it's got nothing to do with like your niche or like, the wrong product. Hi, my name is Jason, by the way. And on this channel, I just try to help beginners build some income online without trying to like hype anything up or making any silly promises. Now, before we jump in, like, if you want to build like an online business properly, why don't you check out this free masterclass? It's going to show you things like how to pick a niche and how to build trust and how to get sales right away. Now, the link is below this video. Right, let's get into it. Reason number one is fast cash. So let's be honest, the internet lies to you quite a lot, and you get people out there claiming to make thousands, weekly, and saying things that are effortless. All you gotta do is just paste a few links, and it will print money. I wouldn't believe it. I think it just sets you up to fail. Now, someone posts like twice a week and makes nothing, and they give up instantly, and they say things like, well, that's a scam. Look, affiliate marketing does work. It just doesn't reward impatient people. It's like a fruit tree for me. You don't plant a seed on Monday and then pick apples on the Friday. You got to water it, you wait, and you got to stay consistent, then it grows. And then you get fruits for years. Same thing here. The ones making proper money, they aren't lucky, that they're locking long enough to win. Now, but even patient people can fail. Why? Reason number two, they're swapping their niches all the time. Monday is AI tools. Next week is weight loss. Then it's making money online. And they see someone else making money in another niche, and they switch again. They start over again, and they throw away all that progress that they've made. It's a bit like opening like a bakery and then turning it into a gym and then selling cars the next month. Now, for me, that's madness. Yeah, that's how people treat making money online. Now, you want to solve one problem, build trust, become an expert, then people will buy from you. Now, staying focused helps, but still not enough sometimes. I see plenty of affiliates still making zero sales, which brings us to mistake number three, picking products before people. Now, this is one of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make. They join places like Amazon, ClickBank, in places like Digistore, just trying to hunt for stuff to sell. What makes me money? So that's the wrong approach. Ask yourself this instead: who am I actually helping? Because no one doesn't really care about ad links; they care about their problems. So if you walk into a shop, for example, and a random salesperson just threw loads of stuff at you, clothes, i.e., in your face, you probably just walk out. Um, that's what people do online. They spam products nobody asks for. So what do? You target your audience first. You understand their problems, their goals, then build a tool to fix it. People first, product second, always. Now, reason number four is acting like a spammer. This ruins trust overnight. So look at these two affiliates here. Affiliate A, spams links in Facebook and he drops them in the comments and begs for clicks. Now, affiliate number two makes helpful videos, answers real questions, and tries to solve headaches. Then they recommend a tool. So who do you actually trust? Well, exactly. So no one wakes up, wanted to click our links. They want answers. So you've got to teach them. You've got to help them out. So the link is just the next, logical step. Be a problem solver, not like a link spammer. Now, all that matters, but it's the last reasons why I reckon 90% quit. It's a lesson I wish I knew from day one. Now most beginners act like commission hunters, so successful affiliates act like business owners. Now think about that. Commission hunters wake up thinking, what can I sell today? But a business owner, they wake up and think, well, how can I help someone today? Hunters chase every like silly trend, shiny tools, quick hacks. Business owners build real assets, an audience, an email list, a proper brand. Commissions are just the reward for helping people over time. So great businesses don't obsess over a single quick sale. They get famous for solving one thing really well. So when we stop chasing pennies and build a proper brand, everything starts to shift. You get more patient, you stop niche hopping, you stop pushing, like useless products, and that's when the money like finally shows up. So let's do a quick recap. Don't expect overnight riches. Stick to one niche. Choose people over products. Health first, sell second. Don't chase quick commissions. Build a business instead. Um, that's the difference between quitting in 6 months and earning 5 years from now. Right. So now that's all cleared up. Now maybe you want to know like what side hustles actually are killing it in 2026. If so, check out this video where I explain about the top five side hustles in 2026. Now, if that's something that might interest you, I would like to click the video on the screen right now, and I will see you over there.